What is up, guys? Welcome back to another My Next Car video. Today we're driving this Volkswagen Scirocco R. This is a 2-liter 4-cylinder car with 265 horsepower in a very special color, as you can see here. I don't know what it's called, but it's like a bright apple green with the black wheels as contrast. It's quite something. Love it or hate it, but I think it's quite interesting. Leather interior, nice seats. So let's take this car for a little drive, shall we? Of course, it being an automatic, we have to put it in drive. Now let's see what this thing is like. If this traffic would ever let me out, that is. Alright, here we go. Now we are talking about 265 horsepower here, so that should be good. Let's first just drive it in automatic and see what it's like on normal speeds. See if this could really be a daily driver, because that is what I'm looking for after all. Alright, it feels very good. It's comfortable. The seats are not the softest seats I've ever felt, I'll be honest, but it's not the worst thing. And it's not very loud, it's not obnoxious, except for the color, of course. Yeah, it is a much more relaxing drive, I would say. But that is for now. Just for now. Of course, Volkswagen, it's the all-rounder, really, you know. It's just good at everything it does. It doesn't do anything perfect, but it's just an overall good product. And you can see that with the interior too. It's nothing special, but it is modern. It looks good. The quality is decent of everything. It's not rattling or anything. The automatic itself is also pretty smooth. You don't really notice it. It's quick enough if you need it to be. So, oh, of course, we're getting a red light. Let's actually put it in manual, shall we? All right. Okay. Definitely some more noise right away. I did notice on the previous videos that the noise that the GoPro picks up is not nearly as loud as it is in real life. Here we go. Yep, you hear the farts, although I don't know if you can pick it up. And that wasn't full gas, by the way. That was just a small acceleration. Let's do a little bigger acceleration, shall we? We have a chance here. Yeah. It wants to go. Let's get back down to acceptable speeds. It's not incredibly loud, but it does make a nice noise for a 4-cylinder. Opinions on the farts that it makes, they're mixed, but for me, I think it's a good sound. I think it fits the car. Now, I will be honest, 6th gear, and which is the final gear, by the way, and already doing 2000 RPM when doing like 83, 85 kilometers an hour, that's not great, in my opinion. That means that when you're on the highway, it's gonna make some revs. Let's see if we can use the actual shifter to shift down and up. Here we go. See, it is exciting. It definitely is. Let's actually put it into sport mode, because that's also a thing. which should probably mean more responsive, slightly higher RPMs from the automatic, so that's going to be a good thing. It also, I think, puts the dampers in sport mode automatically, which is going to make it a little stiffer. See, I don't know about this car. It excites me, for sure. It sounds good, it's a great car to drive, it feels good. But again, it's not the most exciting thing ever, you know? It's not as exciting as the previous cars I've driven. You kind of miss some soul to it. That's not the end of the world, but it is a downside that I feel like I do have to mention. Steering is medium as well, like it's not too heavy, not too light. Perfect for everyday use, really. Like, again, this is the car, if you just want to daily drive it, this is probably fine. This is probably perfect, in fact. But if you want to take it like on a track day or on a nice like mountain road, I'm not sure if it's gonna be enough. Let's put it in comfort and see what that does. Well, so far, there's a bump. Perfect timing. Oh, that does smoothen it out quite a lot. It makes it quite comfortable, actually. That's actually quite a difference. Very noticeable. I don't know, what do you guys think about this? Is this a good option? I mean, it sure is, but is it the best option? And of course, if you have any more suggestions for other cars, still feel free to let me know. I'm always curious what you guys think. I didn't pick the perfect day for this drive, I don't think, because it's nice weather, nice roads. Yeah, it's gonna be busy. Now, this is a nice place. I didn't expect to stumble upon something like this. Okay, you go first. Whoops. I think he had the right of way anyway. Hey, look at the limo, huh? But well, anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Bye-bye.